Are you tired of having a scanner that can cost you money, but it can break easily just by dropping it? Well, here you go. MUNBYN's ILT01 doesn't do that. It's a tablet, the warehouse tablet, that's also very, very rugged. So let's talk about it. What we have here is MUNBYN's ILT01 8-inch rugged tablet scanner. Again, it's 8-inch with a 1280 by 800 resolution. One of the advantages of this, not only it is IP66 protection class, which is dust proving, it has waterproofing. Also, if you go at the corners here, it's 6-sided drop proof, drop resistance. You can drop this guy 4 feet from the ground and it'll be okay. Now, this is not only a tablet, as I mentioned, it is a scanner. The scanner is a Honeywell N6703 scan hit, this guy right here. And it really picks up. It's ambidextrous. You have 2 green buttons on each side, so you could scan it. You can see how fast it scans. Super fast. QR codes, barcodes, etc. It runs on Android 13 with a MediaTek processor. This has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. The features are Wi-Fi 5 if you don't have data, but if you do have data services, this is a 4G LTE, so you can use it inside and outside with a built-in SIM card. The battery itself is a 9,000 milliamp hour battery, so you're going to get up to 10 hours, so it covers your full shift. And right here is the USB-C charging port. It also comes with the USB cable, USB-C cable I should say, and an AC adapter to charge. And as you can see here, I have a little handle that is removable if you don't want to use the handle. So it makes it easier to use on a daily basis. As you can see from that demo, it is wet and it still keeps going and going. I'm telling you, it's pretty rugged. So if you're looking for a scanner tablet, MUNBYN's the one. I love their products.